is no other than candidate number Miss Kylie Bersosa, number 2. Dressed in an Antaja costume is no other than the lookalike of Miss Liza Soberano, number 12. Our best in swimwear is no other than, again, Kylie Bersosa, number 2. Congratulations, birds. Okay, our best in talent. No doubt, you are the best in talent. Miss A-Rich Gonzalez, number 4. Best in helping down, you made it, Miss Julia Barreto. Miss Photogenic Mundial Josa Nagtayo 2016 is no other than, once again, Julia Barreto. First finalist. This is in no particular order. First finalist, number 12, Miss Liza Soberano. You are lucky to be a part of it, Miss Nadine Lustra, candidate number 1. Two down, 5 more to go. And of course, I know that you know that you make it to the 97. Candidate number 2, Kylie Bersosa. I know that you wish for it. And you got it. Candidate number 8. 4 down, 3 more to go. You are gorgeous, sweet, and beautiful. And you're lucky to make it to the 97, Miss Sheena Halili. Candidate number 5. You belong to the 6th spot the gorgeous mom, and of course, the starstruck winner, Miss Sarah Labaki, candidate number 3. Only one spot left. Who among these 7 remaining candidates will make it to the top 7? And of course, no doubt, you're part of it, the gorgeous Miss Julia Barreto. Ladies, thank you very much. At the backstage, please, and I will call you one by one for the rating of beauty, which is 60%. Give your best smile. Thank you. Dito ka lang, anak. Candidate number 2. Miss Kylie Versosa. Candidate number 3. Give your best smile. Smile to the judges. Candidate number 5. 60%. Napakataas yan. 60% na beauty. Since this is a beauty pageant, we give higher points or percentage to beauty. Candidate number 8. Don't worry, candidates, fair ang mga judges natin. Don't ever question the result. Number 11. Angel Molina or Julia Barreto. Candidate number 12, Miss Raisa Soberano. Sino kaya ang tatanggalin? Joke na lang tayo 2016.
Candidate number 1 from Tayo.
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
17, sir.
You're taking up. You're studying at the Data Center of College, I think. And what's your course?
Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management.
What's your course? Come again, your course is?
Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Relax. You're quite nervous. Okay, this is my question. Do you believe in the existence of God? Explain your answer.
Yes, because according to the Bible, that God is true, and I believe in Him. Because as a true Christian, I have a strong faith in our Almighty God. I believe in Him, no matter what. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 1. Anong number?
Judge number 1.
Judge number 1.
Okay, candidate number 1. Number 2, here is your question. What is your role towards the eradication of drug abuse?
Can you repeat now?
What is your role towards the eradication of drug abuse?
My role is eradication. Eradication is to have a good heart, a good mind, and a big head. A good heart willing to share ideas, a good mind willing to understand, and a big head willing to embrace and share to each and everyone. That's the real thing.
Are you studying?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
At the University of Northern Philippines.
What are you taking up?
I'm taking a Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
Oh, really? Communication. Okay, my question is goes this way. Why is it that opposites attract?
Well, I do believe that opposites attract because things are not meant to happen synonymous. Things are not meant to happen in a possible one way. Things are meant to happen in a very distinct and varied ways. That is simply all. Thank you.
Judge number 3. Hello. Hi, ma'am.
Are you studying?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you studying?
University of Northern Philippines.
What are you taking now?
I am currently taking Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Contestant number 5, this is my question. What is your personal opinion on same-sex marriage?
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
What is your personal opinion on same-sex marriage?
Thank you for that very interesting question. Since we are belong to third sex, which is transgender, and we are being attracted with the opposite sex, which is male, and I consider myself a male also. I stand, in my opinion, that same-sex marriage is not constitutional in this country, wherein I am not in favor of the same-sex relationship or same-sex marriage. Why? Because it was indicated in the Bible that man is for women and woman is for men. So, I stand in my opinion that I am going to support same-sex relationship because that is not obeying the rule of the Bible. Thank you.
Number 1 now.
Okay, candidate number 8. Here is your question. How will you promote a good environment where LGBTs are discriminated?
Again, ma'am.
How will you promote a good environment where LGBTs are discriminated?
Well, ma'am, I'm receiving a question who has a level of difficulty, and it's my own opinion, and no opinion is to be corrected. But how can I promote a good environment to my fellow LGBT man? By simply promoting gender equality. Because, ma'am, we are living in this world to respect and to be respected, to love and to be loved, not to be neglected by anyone. So if I have a chance to promote a good environment to my fellow LGBT community, I want to promote gender equality simply because life is our journey and we must do our part to win this race. Maybe sometimes we are saying that I'm gay, but never been raped. I'm effeminate, but no, that don't never be fragile of who you are. I'm a woman by heart, but never be too martyred. Always remember that we are all humans who came from the majestic touch of our divine God. That will be all. Thank you very much.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
tourism in your municipality?
Well, thank you for that question. We all know that our province, which is La Union, all known as the surfing capital of the North. Well, how can I promote it? By taking pictures of it and sharing on Facebook. And I believe in that those people who can see it and who foreigners who can see it, they will be attracted in our province, which is La Union, and we can promote the surfing capital of the North. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Hello, candidate number 12. Here is your question. How do you define a wholesome personality?
Pardon?
How do you define a wholesome personality?
Also personality. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. How can I define a wholesome personality? For me, I believe that, I strongly believe to what I will bring stated. To what is essential is invisible to the naked eye. For I believe that characteristics and personality is more important than the physical beauty. For always to know that beauty should not be only exuded in the outside, but also in the inside. Thank you.
You're lucky tonight dahil ang piling na ibinababa ng tao ay patuloy na itinataas ng Diyos. You are the Miss Intelligence, Venus Ra. Okay, you're getting closer and closer. Ilang minuto na lang to. Nandito na yung result. Nakikita ko na. Girls, I repeat, close 5, ha? Close 5. 60% for beauty, 40% for intelligence. Sa intelligence, git-kita ng laban, especially sa beauty. So, let's just wait and see. OJs, malapit na. Nandito na! Very close nga ang 5. Anak, where's the wireless microphone? Second runner-up, it's you, Maria Venus Ra. It's a fair competition. The judges have spoken. Judges ko, wala po kami favorite or gusto or whatsoever. We just rely it sa mga choice ng mga judges namin. First runner-up! Our first runner-up, Miss Liza Superano. O girls, maghawak-hawak ka ng kamay. Sino kaya sa mga nagiging kandidata dito ang tatakaling Diyosa na tayo? Liza, libre nyo ako, Ani Venus Ra. May 7 at 5,000 pesos kayo. For just a night, ha? Imelda, Amer Photography, or Amer Morena, and Ned Carino, together with Brian Ashley Versona. Our Junior Tagalog 2016